Hello all, welcome back. This is Ram Prakash Duraisamy. So in this video, we will see how to get user security role via, like we can say, JavaScript or advanced find or with Power Automate flow. So in this video, we will cover all these functionalities uh, in our Microsoft Dynamics CRM or in a Power Platform environment. So to begin with, first navigate to your make.powerapps.com and choose the environment where you are having or where you want to check the user's security role. So I'll just go to once after I selected environment, I'll just directly go to my advanced settings, or else you can just go like this, or you can just click on the apps, and you will have a model driven app in your environment. If it is set up, you can just directly go to the model driven app and you can click on the settings and you can click on advanced settings. So both look similar to that one only. Okay, so once after you came to this place, you can just click on security and you can click on security roles. Sorry, you can click on users because you need to know the users security role. So you can just click on the users. Let's wait for the page to get loaded. So once the page gets loaded, you can able to see what are the users or the users available in the environment. You can able to see that. So you can just select that user and you can click on manage security roles. You can able to see what are the security roles assigned for this user. So for example, it will be like for me, it is assigned to as basic users and you can able to see system administrator. So there are two security roles assigned for this one. So this is one way of checking the user's security role. Yeah. So once after you've done this one, for example, you want to know the current logged in user security roles. So consider some of the scenarios may be available based on the user security role, I need to hide this phone number field or fax field. So such kind of requirement you may get it. So for that, how you can do is because I have already written a sample code because I want to show you how to retrieve. So what I have done, I created a simple JavaScript like an function onload. I'll just show you the code. And in that onload, I provided a debugger. So what it will do, so on page load, in the onload operation of account, I'm just put a simple debugger. So I'll just come to the account. So I'll just click on F12. So what I'll do, I'll make a refresh of the screen. So once after the page gets refreshed, you can able to see that debugger hit successfully. So what I want to do now, so I'll just go to the console. So in this console, I'll try to write xrm dot utility. Okay. So in this xrm dot utility, you can able to see plenty of different functions available. So what I'll do, xrm dot get utility of get global context of. So in the global context, you can able to see user settings available. So I need to get a user settings here like dot user settings. So in the user settings, you are having a different type of options available your security role privilege or security roles or roles or whatever it should be available. Let's try with these security roles. So here you can able to see it populated with the role with the GUIDs. But if you want to know about the name of the security role, you can just say user settings dot roles. Oh, sorry, it's not roles, it's case sensitive. So I'll provide it as roles. So if I expand this one, and here you can able to see there are collections available, and here you can able to see there are two security roles which is available with the basic user and system administrator. So based on this one, like based on the roles, like if you provide this query and if that user is contained system admin or if it is a basic role, you can just show or hide what can I say, the field or tab or section, whatever it is. So this is another way of using or getting the security roles based on the JavaScript. Now let's try to find another way. So I'll just click on advanced find here. think this advanced find will be not good. So I'll just go to the users here, maybe this Power Platform. I'll click on advanced find. Okay. So let me, it is a new user experience which is showing, but okay, let's see. I think it is showing only the tables. Let me go here. I'll just say advanced settings. I'll click on this advanced settings. So now after clicking on advanced settings, it opened an advanced find. So now let's see how we can use the what can I say advanced find to get the security role of that user. Like I'll just go here. I'll search with security roles. In the security roles, we are having a related table. In that related table, I'll go for the users and I can simply say a word called user equals current user. If it is equal to current user, and you can able to see it shows a security role easily. Or else if you want to provide some different users like equals, you can just provide the users who is part of your environment. Like for example, if I'll just try to provide this one, I'll click on result. You can able to see it says best QA app and service radar. Perfect. So now there is another way available like equals current user. Now I'll just download this fetch XML. So let me put it as a download and I'll save this one. So now I'll open the fetch XML which is created. Okay. So I'll just copy this fetch XML. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll show you another way now. Now make dot powerautomate.com. Let's try from the Power Automate flow as well for the retrieval of these security roles. Now I'll go to my flow. So make sure whatever which I have chosen is here a trial environment as an environment. So I'll just make sure that I'll choose the respective environment as well here. So now you can able to see it is both of them are in the same trial environment. Okay. Now I'll go to new flow. So for now, I'll just go with an instant cloud flow, okay? Because I want to show it to you right away. So I'll just say get users security role, okay? So I'll select a data was here, okay? So I'll just skip this step. I'll go with, I mean, we can use new designer, but I love to use the uh, old designer. So I'll just go with the old designer here. So here the connector should be like because as I said it is an the instant one. So I'll just select the Power App as an option and I'll just select this one and I don't want to do anything. So here I want to say simply like Dataverse and I want to use list rows. In the list row I need to just select for security role. And here you can able to see fetch XML available. You can just paste the simple fetch XML. So here I'm just getting from the role. So I'm just using the same here. Okay. So now I'll just say get users security role. Now I'll just simply save this one. So here we can you have used equals current user. You can just simply use current user and you can do it out. Now whatever I'm just showing is a fetch XML one, but there are different ways available. For now, first I'll just run this one manually. I'll just test this one. I'll run a flow and click on done. So here you can see your flow ran successfully. I'll just explain the list rows. I'll click on click to download. Maybe I think it will open a separate page. And here you can able to search for yeah. Okay, here you can able to see it is a basic user and a system admin. So there are two security roles. And I mean this is another way we can able to do it. Or else if you have a knowledge about an filter rows, like you can just what can I say? Sorry, use an operations like an OData operations like system user underscore association From instead of going from a table called security roles, you can go from user. From user, you can drill down to one level down, which is like an linked entity, like system user underscore association. From there, you can take the role link, like an inner join, and you can get the roles as well. So there are multiple ways available. And today we just explained it about like how and what are the ways we have done it. That there are multiple ways available, but mostly we will use these type of what can I say, the retrieval to get the users. Hope you like this video. Please drop me a comment if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.